Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a button that when you click on it, it makes a click sound. So to do this, we have to go to Starter GUI and add here on ScreenGui. In this ScreenGui, we will need to add a text button. Okay, this one. You can put it where you want, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we have here the button. Now, we have to insert here in TextButton a local script. But first, before scripting, we have to go to Toolbox, to go here at Models, to change to Audio, and search here for click sound. So let's choose our click sound. Let's see this one, or this. So let's use this one. We have to press the insert button, and we can close this and make sure that the sound is in the local script. But let's change the name because it's too long, to change it to click. Okay, now let's go to script, and here first we will have to locate the button. So local button equals with script.parent, and here we need to script what it needs to do when I click on the button. So button.mouse button one clicked connect function. Okay, like this. Okay, so let's locate really fast the sound. Local sound equals with script.click. So let's get back here and write sound play. This is the script. Now let's close the script. So let's test the game now. Okay, so now every time I press the button, it makes this sound. So everything works fine. Thank you guys for watching until the end. Hope everything worked well for you and you had no problem with the script. And don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, because that will help me very much and I will really appreciate you. And we will see you again with a new tutorial in a few days.